Hi, good morning to you all. This is regarding resource productivity enhancement. This is Sanjay Date. First of all, we'll go to the objective statement. Maintenance team productivity needs to be double from present level of delivering, each team member delivering at a rate of 2 bugs fix a week on a product. Team's capability. Maintenance team is responsible to fix bugs for 100 products. Team sizes of individual contributor, which is count is 150. Each contributor can fix bug on 3 to 4 products. Hence the team is capable of minimum level of product bug fix of 3 to be 450 fixes, maximum level of product bug fix of 4 to be 600 fixes. Team's actual delivery. Maintenance team, which is responsible to fix bugs for 100 products, and a team size of individual contributor with 150 count. Each team member on weekly basis is fixing bug on 2 bugs on any product they work on. Here we are assuming 2 bugs is enough for a product bug fix. Hence the actual team productivity is at 1 product per week or at 150 product per week. Plan to achieve objective. At week 0, team is delivering at below par capability. We need to identify the team's cause of below par capability, have a improvement plan, discuss with VP and implement the plan. On week 0 itself, we should ask every team member to have at least 1 extra product fix in a week. This, if successful, then it would deliver another around 150 product fixes per week. If required, they need to put an extra effort on the same. Team member has to extend the hours. At week 1 and week 2, we need to monitor if team members are delivering 1 extra product bug fix in a week. Also, we should implement the improvement plan. For weak resources, conduct product knowledge, tool training, functional training, conduct knowledge transition, playbook effective uses. At week 3 and week 4, we should ensure that team member is delivering 2 product bug fix in a week, taking the team's capability to 300 bug fixes or 2 product bug fix per week. We should continue with the improvement plan, continue conduct of product knowledge, tool training, functional training, continue conduct of knowledge transition, playbook effective uses. Here at the end of week 4, if any resource replacement is required, it should be proceeded ahead. At the end of week 4, if we have ensured 2 products bug fix in a week is done, then the team capability has doubled. In week 5 and week 6, we should ask each team member to have 1 more extra product bug fix in a week. This is, if successful, then it will deliver 450 bug fixes or 3 product bug fixes. As we move on and improve, the team will deliver and reach to 600 product bug fixes. Thank you.